ears can handle the foghorn better than I can handle Old Man Winter. That's for sure. I'll stay until the battery light comes on. See, I moved a little. Let's see if we can get these guys. I think I got some. Nice. Got some more for you. Just take that foghorn, blow right in the ears of Mr. Old Man Winter. That'd be wonderful. Yeah. Okay, the battery light's on. Yeah, I wish Old Man Winter's brain's battery light was on too. Okay, a couple more minutes. Probably head home. Hands are cold. Yet. Okay, I really think I ought to knock off shots now. See if I can get some more big waves before the camcorder battery light goes out completely. Bring my cell phone with me in case it rings. I know what Jason feels like when his cell phone rings when he does videos of his collectibles. Come on, give me some big waves, please. Okay, I got some here. Always nice when I say, give me some big waves, you get some. And all I do is say, get rid of Old Man Winter, get rid of Old Man Winter comes true too. Wow. See if we can get this one now. Alright, I think it's almost time to leave this beautiful. See, that's the foghorn right there. Okay. There's the lighthouse. Okay, everybody, until the next time, bye. Thanks for watching. Love comments. And love to get rid of Old Man Winter until the day I get pregnant. And thank you for the applaud on that one, Mr. Foghorn. Bye now.